Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
First 16 seconds completely programmed and autonomous as per usual. Team 8742 Argyle attack making their way across that tape line area and attempting to deliver into the top part of their coral station. 7617 from Carmel, Indiana, going to place that third game piece at the top there. Each of those were 7 points during the autonomous period, bringing their total to just about below 31. The remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds is all teleoperators, human players picking the controllers to drive the robots that their team built over the past 10 weeks. Just as we've seen the first 12 qualification matches today, they'll continue to fight for that winning, along with a bunch of other side quests known as those ranking point opportunities. Opportunities for taking out the barge points and additional there in the autonomous period, which we exited. And a final third opportunity for filling up their coral reef. They'll need 5 of those PVC coral pieces, filling up all 4 of those levels, unless we see some cooperation. Score is currently 39-22 in favor of your Red Alliance. Teams continuing to fight hard for that autonomous time during the teleoperated time. Remaining 4 seconds for Team 4008. Zito Verzo's disco haircut, although their simple design might look a little too appealing, they are able to protectively place 2 of those one game piece down on the second lower of the trough, scoring 2 points for their alliance. Team 7617 is the Carmel team, one of the 2 at this event. That's specifically the Robo Blazers from University High School, have been sneakily scoring game pieces while we've been away over on the Blue Alliance side, and they're slowly filling up all parts of their reef, with currently bringing their scores up to 64-24 in favor of the Red Alliance. Red Alliance already making a quarter of their way towards that ranking point bonus with 55 seconds remaining in the match. We've got Team 8116. That's one of the Hatch Batch teams on the far side of the Blue Alliance. That contact is allowed, that bumper-on-bumper action, as long as it's kept to a minimum and done outside that taped-off protected area surrounding each of the reefs. Score is currently 76-26 in favor of the Red Alliance. We've got no algae scored anywhere on the field of play, so teams are really focusing in on those PVC coral pieces and completely ignoring those teal algae spheres. 81-16, one of the Washington, Indiana teams, already elevated off the ground. They do need to remain there as we enter that end game period. We hear that sonar sound, so teams will start making their way over to those cages. They do need to get elevated off the ground and remain there after the end of the game. Team 8742 latched onto one of those cages, looking for that elevation. Team 9190 sliding in for a park. As long as they're in that taped-off area, they get points for parking there at the end of the game. And that's all we have for qualification match 13 here at the Finn District Washington event, sponsored by Toyota Indiana and Vincent University Center for Applied Robotics and Automation. Stick tight for qualification match 14. Your winners were the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance taking a score of 90, nearly doubling Blue Alliance's 54. They're going to take away 3 of those ranking points for